However, beautiful people, so Joshua again is something a little bit different, something out of this town, something that you've never seen, something that you wonder how it's made. No rockets are needed in this, it's just your stay at the heart of Joshua. You gotta know how it's made. Guess what? This time around, this week, something called a chicken pizza in this cup. Chicken pizza in a mug. Have you ever seen it? You wanna see it? Make it a habit. Stay on my channel, The Art of Joshua. You wanna see how a chicken pizza is made in this mug. This time around, this is not a cappuccino, but it's a pizza that is going to be made here. Some people are wondering, we need to be baked, we need to be fried, we need to be made how? Inside the cup. We need to be made inside the cup. But this time around, it's glad we cooked here. And guess what? It takes only 2 minutes for this pizza to be ready. Let's see how it's done. In our chicken pizza in a mug, of course we need a cappuccino cup, which is a cooking vessel, or the mug itself. We need a fresh pepper, we need a fresh onion, peeled and washed properly. We need a carrot, very fresh, very green, peeled, washed. We need a very fresh chicken breast. We call this chicken. Then from there, this is what we need for the topping. Now this is what we need to make the dough, or to make the base where the topping is going to sit. Very simple. We need 4 tablespoons of baking flour. We need half a tablespoon of baking powder. We need a spoon of baking soda to give the moisture in our dough. We need a pinch of salt. We need 4 tablespoons of fresh milk. We need a pinch of sugar as well to balance off the acidity of the salt and the pizza sauce. We need some pizza sauce, of course, called the tomato concasse, and of course olive oil. I prefer Oil Italia, it's my best, that's what I'm using tonight. From there, we shall need some seasonings for our topping. The seasonings are very simple and then clear. These are ingredients that can be sourced across any grocery store in this world. Like soy sauce, Oil Italia, which is everywhere, some aromat, all the corn salt, some pepper, and of course some herb like the Oil Italia, that enhances the taste of my pizza. Let's see how the toppings are made. Thank you. In the preparation of our toppings, we start with chicken breast, dice it, 2 small edible sizes that can fit in a pizza very, very well. If you cut big ones, they can not look good on the pizza. So we cut small edible dices. This is done. From there, we take our green pepper, make julienne slices, very red, that are going to our onion, also julienne. Then our carrots, also julienne. These are enough. Now let's go to the cooking. We start with fire. Yeah. From there, we add a little bit of oil on the pan. Very little. Let it heat or get very well. From there, let's add our chicken. And we season it fast. Let's see the pot again. Chicken is ready. Let's now go to the toppings. After making our toppings, now we are doing the most interesting part. The most interesting part now is topping our pizza. Let's go. As I told you earlier, we need a cappuccino cup. This is our cooking vessel. Chicken pizza in a cup. This is interesting. So let's get our 4 tablespoons of baking flour into our cooking vessel. Let's take our olive oil, 2 tablespoons in here. Let's take a pinch of salt in here. Let's take a pinch of sugar in here. Let's take our sodium bicarbonate, which is 1/8 of a teaspoon in here. Let's take our baking powder, which is 1/2 tablespoon, also in here, all of it. From there now, we take what is going to mix all the above, which is 3 tablespoons of milk. From there, you can invite in Mr. Fogg to help you mix and make the dough inside the cup. You don't need really a lot, you need something very small, and just use a fork to make sure the dough is made inside your cooking vessel. This is the best. Mix this until all the flour is well incorporated with the rest of the liquid items. As you can see, our dough is ready. It doesn't have to be too runny or too smooth. From there, you make a base onto our cooking vessel. This is a cappuccino cup. Very, very well. This is how it's done. From there, invite in a teaspoon, make a round base. The way you make a normal pizza, but this time inside the cup. From there, now invite in your pizza sauce. Most people use concassino, but I have my special one that I'll share in the next video. Invite in your pizza sauce. These are 2 tablespoons. Please use all of them. Yeah, let's go. From there, let's take our topping, which is chicken. We're using 40 spoons of our topping. 2, 3, 4. Make sure you take a touch of everything. I mean, you can have a piece of chicken, a piece of green pepper, a piece of there. From there, we're going to take our shredded mozzarella cheese, which is 2 tablespoons. Use the same spoon and top or put the finishing. Make sure it's spread evenly across the whole cooking vessel. For color variations, you can take the balance of the pizza sauce and spread on top and give it that fine look. From there, a little bit sprinkles of the corn salt and a pinch of oregano to give it more taste. From there, we are going to bake our pizza in the oven for 2 minutes. That's why it's called a 2-minute chicken pizza in a mug. After topping, now we are going to bake our pizza in the microwave for 2 minutes. Please put on the timer and make sure it is 2 minutes. It will be ready. Now to the microwave. You see, this is the middle. The timer, the high, and 2 minutes as we have agreed. Now start. That we mix up with the men. See, this is now we are going to the most interesting part, that is steam. This is it. Let's see, with the help of a phone, let's sample. This is very interesting. This is an app and it's ready. You should try this one day one time.